The Australian $2 coin, introduced in 1988, has become a focal point for collectors, especially with the release of various commemorative and colored editions. While most standard $2 coins found in circulation are worth their face value, certain additions and errors can be of significant interest to numismatists. Notable commemorative and colored $2 coins. 2012 Red Poppy Remembrance Day coin. This was Australia's first colored circulating coin, featuring a red poppy to honor Remembrance Day. Uncirculated versions can fetch between $100 to $150, with those in original RSL collector cards commanding a slight premium. 2013 Purple Coronation coin. Celebrating the 60th anniversary of Queen Elizabeth II's coronation, this coin features a purple stripe. Circulated examples often sell for $10 to $20, while uncirculated coins can reach $25 to $30. 2015 Orange Remembrance coin. Issued to commemorate Remembrance Day, this coin features an orange ring surrounding a dove. 2020 Brave Firefighters coin. Honoring the bravery of Australian firefighters, this coin displays an orange flame design. Rare errors and varieties. Euro planche error. In 2013, some $2 coins were mistakenly struck on underweight planchettes intended for 10-cent euro coins. These errors are exceptionally rare and can be valued around $2,000. Collecting tips. Standard design coins. The standard Aboriginal Elder design has been in circulation since 1988. Except for coins from low mintage years like 1993 and 2000, most are typically worth only their face value. Condition matters. Coins in uncirculated or mint condition are generally more valuable. Beware of counterfeits. Some counterfeit $2 coins dated 1998, 2002, and 2003 have been identified. These fakes often exhibit poor design details, especially in the Queen's hair and the Aboriginal Elders features. For a comprehensive list of circulating Australian $2 coins and their mintages, you can refer to the Australian Coin Collecting blog. Remember, while many $2 coins are common, certain commemorative additions and errors can be valuable. Always assess a coin's condition and authenticity before determining its worth.